Oh, now's a good time to pull out the camera as your son is running away.
In the heat of the moment.
Go get him, he's gonna escape.
I was stuck in a wreck, couldn't get rid of my gut, but it didn't take much wealth to find the door to health.
It's the road trip kind of day. We are headed a couple hours away to go see one of my very best friends. She lives in Illinois and she flew into the area because her dad is getting married, and she's just a couple hours away from us, so we are driving to go and see her. And I am so super excited. She and I were roommates once upon a time. I found her on Craigslist and we've been like best friends ever since. She's so sweet. I love her, and we had babies about the same time, so it's a lot of fun. Maylee's really excited to go see her buddy. Huh, Maylee?
Not my buddy.
What is he?
He's my friend.
Yeah, he is your friend.
And he wanted to marry me because he loved me.
Yeah, he does, huh?
He's kinda silly.
Yeah. Hi, Tex. We're just gassing up at the pump. Gotta get some gas.
So we can still have some more gas.
Mm-hmm. Maylee, are you gonna have fun on this train ride? Yeah, it'll be fun. We'll see if they'll let you ride two to a spot. So cute.
We already went over there.
So cute.
All right, that was cool, and people apparently are cool. All right. Well, that was the second snowball fight brought to you by St. Luke's of Magic Valley. It looks like everybody had another great, cool time.
Good job. Oh, she's got a drink in that. Grandma Yancy does. All right, let's step down.
I could jump over.
Oh, okay. Jump over. All right, let's cross the street. Hold Daddy's hand, baby. We're going to the park. We're going to the park. Taking all the kiddos. How about on my back? You know what?
Ready?
You guys are so cute holding hands.
So cute. Okay, now Emily, I have to start brainwashing Jackson.
Time to go get him.
Daddy! He's gonna run away. Oh, now's a good time to pull out the camera as your son is running away.
In the heat of the moment.
Go get him, he's gonna escape.
Are you having fun?
Uh-huh.
This is a big tree, huh?
Uh-huh.
My goodness.
You can climb up there.
That's crazy. Scary. Oh. Do you like it up there?
Uh-huh.
Just love it? Where are you going?
Higher.
The little monkey?
Why do you like what?
Because it's fun.
Monkey.
What? You're not a monkey. You want to be a monkey, huh?
I'm a monkey.
You're a monkey.
Feels like I'm about to fall.
Don't do that.
Yeah. Don't there.
Oh, Miss Maylee. You gonna jump down to your daddy?
And you can just jump out and I pitch it. Jump! You're brave.
Woo! Good catch!
You're braver than
Good
I am.
jump.
That was a good jump.
Eli wants up there.
You can go up there.
Yeah.
Eli? You're a little too little, girly.
Don't get scared either.
Oh, you just poked him in the face with a stick, Mike.
Sorry, buddy. Okay? Here, reach up there.
Climb on up.
Climb up there.
No.
If you want to,
I don't want to.
no, please.
Woo! Good job, Eli.
No.
Who wants to be a monkey
I don't
now?
want to.
Oh, funny kids.
Can Daddy go up there?
Yeah.
Tree, like a monkey.
Oh dear.
Up here.
Well, you're scaring me.
Why are there branches falling?
Because I'm tearing them off. They're in the way.
Oh, okay. Oh, Mike.
That's good.